Hi guys, it's your man Calculus the engineer. Today we are going to discuss steel fixing after formwork is done at construction sites. So the first step after formwork is done at construction sites will be cut and bend. This is the process where the contractor and the team on site take the design drawings, particularly paying attention to the bar bending schedule that shows the type of bar, the size of bar, and how it's going to be cut and bent. They use that to cut and bend for the different elements in the building, and this can be done either off-site or on-site. Once that is complete, if it is done off-site, the reinforcement is transported to site and hoisted to the area where it needs to be fixed. Fixed in this case means the place where it's going to be put and properly tied to the engineer's specifications. Usually during a reinforcement bar inspection, you're going to use the design drawings to check if the particular bar sizes have been adhered to, the lengths, the correct shape, it's been cut and bent in the correct shape and properly placed where it should be. The placement here will also cater for the concrete cover. Usually this is achieved using spacer blocks. These are small concrete pieces that are cast on site depending on the size required. If it's 50 millimeter cover, 20 millimeter, 40 millimeter, it is concreted to that thickness, and then it is fixed to the reinforcement bar using the small steel called binding wire. So you'll check that as well. You'll check if the reinforcement is corroded or it is in good condition. You don't want corroded steel to be concreted over, as that will affect the structural integrity of the particular member. You'll also check the spacing of the stirrups or the links for the various members. You'll check if the formwork is clean and free from dirt, water, oil, grease. So make sure it is clean and dry. You'll check if the formwork is completely sealed so that there are no areas that is going to leak once concreting commences. And then basically you'll just make sure that there are stools. Stools are in sections where the steel is in layers, they're not touching each other, and the steel stool helps in separating the two layers of the reinforcement. This will apply mostly in the reinforcement for slabs. So once all that is checked, it is then that the engineer can give approval in writing that the area is ready for concreting. But prior to concreting, the engineer should also advise by way of specification how it should be cleaned. The area should be wetted using water to promote good adhesion, and surface preparation in areas, assuming there's a part of an existing building, it is properly prepared so that the new and old concrete come together and join in a way that is going to give the structure the robustness is required. So a concrete checklist will typically contain all that we've mentioned today, and during a site inspection prior to concreting, those are the issues and checkpoints the engineer would go through. Stay tuned for the next episode.